So your washer has a water pressure switch or a water level switch, and it knows that by the tube that runs from the tub up to the switch, allows air to come up through and activate it. So we're going to have a look at that. To remove it, we have to get at the connection to the pressure switch. We're just going to raise the console using our putty knife to free it. We have a harness here that we need to disconnect. A couple of clamps to release. Now on some models, you don't take the cabinet off, you simply release the top and lift it up to allow you to get access to it. So to remove the cabinet of this machine, it's just a matter of raising the lid a little bit, leaning the cabinet forward, and sliding it out of the way. So the hose for our pressure switch attaches to the pressure switch that we just pull off. It feeds through a couple of clips. There's a retainer on the tub that the hose just slides through, and then it just pushes onto what they call the air dome. Just pull it straight off, and you're able to pull it out so you can do your inspection. And that's how to remove your pressure switch line. So it's not very often you ever have to clean these out. Sometimes there'll be a little bit of debris or that may get caught up into here. So you really just need a thin screwdriver or a needle or whatever and just push that down in and run it through and make sure it's nice and clear. So you're just going to inspect your air line, make sure that there's nothing inside it. Most of them are all transparent so you can easily see if there's anything. The main thing you want to check for is any areas where the hose goes through like it does on this one. Make sure that it's not chafed or cut. If this tube does have any marks or cuts, it should be replaced. This tube basically takes air coming up from inside the tub as it's filling and pushes it to the switch. If there's a hole in this, that air leaks out, the switch won't know to turn the water off. It'll just keep filling right up over the top of the machine and you'll have a pretty significant flood. So it's important just to check that hose to make sure it's in good condition.